Health Check is presented by
Island Cancer Center.
If you are a mother, then at one point in time you had to make the decision to breastfeed or to bottle feed your infant. While it is completely up to the mother choosing the natural route, and breastfeeding has many benefits. Lieutenant Governor Ray Tenorio.
Most of the children who are breastfed have a much more healthier life, actually, especially in their younger years. But also, when they finish breastfeeding, they also have a less likelihood of having other illnesses that comes from, other products that they drink, for example, powdered milk.
Unlike the alternative formula milk, breast milk contains all the nutrients and antibodies a newborn infant needs to build a strong immune system, as well as providing benefits such as reducing the risk of breast cancer in mothers. But that is not the only benefit.
Because when you're feeding your child, you're giving it not just the love and the attention that it needs, but you're giving it that time and the attention and the caring that comes from all caring parents, but much more as a mother. Nourishing your child is just the most loving thing that you can do.
In addition, breastfeeding can also provide relief on your pocketbook, as bottle feeding can be quite expensive, sometimes costing $23 for a can of formula.
My wife breastfed all three of our daughters. There's no question that there's something to it, because they all grew up to be very healthy, active, athletic children, very bright. And I look at Olivia here, she's almost 1 year old. She's so attentive, her attention span, just her affect, all of these children here. This is the testimony.
Choosing to breastfeed may be the most important decision mothers can make for their baby. So if you are an expectant mother or would like more information on how breastfeeding will benefit your child, contact 488-5171 to learn more. With this week's Health Check, I'm Jolene Toves.
Health Check is presented by
Island Cancer Center.